I'm trying to escape from the sun. It's in my face and it's washing me out. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Daneka Freaks back at it again with another video. Today's video is going to be 3 self-care tips for single moms. Now, y'all want to be a better mom? I got 3 tips. 3 tips that'll help you be a better mom. So, if you haven't already, I need you guys to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment down below what you guys do to pamper yourself. The first self-care tip for a single mom is exercise. Some benefits of exercising are it can help brain health and memory. It can help with weight loss, of course. It can increase your energy levels. It can help with skin, and it can make you feel happy. Now, I said it, you guys, exercise. I have been doing this routine, this specific routine that I'm going to tell you guys for 3 months now, but I've been doing it 2 months consistently. The type of exercise that I do is yoga. Yoga is amazing, you guys. Like, it's amazing. I watched a lot of videos called Yoga Changed My Life, and legit, you would think that's corny, but yoga literally changed my life. Because before, I was always like this, you guys. You know, everyone's fitness journey has their ups and their downs, and mine was like all the time, because I'd be going to the gym for 3 months, and then I would stop, and then I had to go back again, and I would stop. But the one thing that really stopped me from being consistent is me having to get up. Getting up in the morning, you guys, was the hardest thing for me ever. Like, the hardest. I don't know if you guys feel this, but it's really normal. The gym gives me anxiety. Literally gives me anxiety. Like, I'll get in my car, I will drive there, I will sit in the parking lot for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in. No, I can't go in. Like, I'm so out of shape. Like, all these people, like, there's so many people here right now, especially if there was like a bunch of people in the parking, but if I saw a bunch of cars in the parking lot, you guys, legit, that would make me want to turn around in itself. So here's me sitting in the parking lot. I can't do this. I'm gonna look stupid. Like, I'm out of shape. I don't even know what I'm doing. People are gonna probably laugh at me. It just gave me anxiety. I don't know why. I guess it's just me being self-conscious. But for me, now that I do yoga, this is like in the comfort of my own room. Nobody's watching me. Devon's asleep. Like, I do this at 5, mind you, I do this at 5 o'clock in the morning every day. Between 5 to 5:30 is when I wake up. And the first thing I do is exercise, just to wake myself up, wake my body up, wake my brain up. It makes me feel really good. And I've been doing it consistently for 2 months, and I can honestly see a difference, you guys. Exercise is one of the most important things that you can do for yourself, mentally and physically. Like, and as a mom, you want to be able to keep up with your kid. You don't want to be that mom that's sitting on the bench watching her kid play, especially if you like only have one kid. I have one child, and when we go to the park, if there's no kids there, I'm the one that's going to have to play with him. And I don't want to be playing with him out of breath, sweating a lot, uncomfortable, and you know what, telling him, I'm sorry, Devon, I'm gonna have to sit this one out. Like, I don't want to be that mom. I want to be that upbeat, in shape, good looking mom that runs around, does everything with him, because ultimately I want to feel better about myself, and ultimately that's spending more fun time with my child. The second self-care tip for a single mom is meditation. Some benefits for meditation are it reduces stress, controls anxiety, promotes emotional health, healthy emotional health, and enhances self-awareness. Meditation has changed me. Legit, you guys, changed me. Oh my God. It's almost like the same thing as the first tip. Meditation is you sitting down with yourself and trying to silence your mind. Just sit down, take a breath, and just silence the thoughts. It's okay if things pop up, because meditating allows you to sit with yourself and really learn about yourself. Learn why you think the way that you do. Learn why you feel the way that you do. Like, you learn why you act a certain way. You learn why you talk a certain way. You learn why like, you just learn so many things about yourself. It's like, meditation is amazing. Like, I don't know what else to say. Guys, if you don't know yourself, nobody's gonna know you, ultimately. Who are you? Do you even know the answer to that question? Who are you? What makes you happy? What doesn't make you happy? What are your values in life? You really have to sit down with yourself to know that. How are you ever going to know that if you won't sit down with yourself? And no talking necessary. All you need to do is sit down. Close your eyes to center yourself. Ground yourself to this earth. You can do this in nature. You can do this in the comfortability of your home. You can do this literally anywhere. The longest I meditate, I would say, is 30 minutes. But that's really long for me. I don't know about y'all, but I get a little antsy. So sitting down for 30 minutes, telling myself, okay, be quiet. Silence your mind. Silence the mind. Silence the mind. Oh, wait, I'm hungry. Silence the mind. No, Daneka. Silence the mind. Silence the mind. What am I going to have for lunch today? Silence the mind. Silence the mind. I really do hope today's going to be a good day at work. Wait. Daneka, focus. Silence the mind. That's what I find myself doing if I sit for longer than 30 minutes. So that's why I do from around 20 minutes to even 15 minutes. But even 5 minutes a day, you guys, doing this 5 minutes a day, every day, can help you a lot. You get to know yourself, and so in turn, when you have a good relationship with yourself, you have amazing and beautiful relationships with other people, because if you know yourself, you know your self-worth, and you know what you will tolerate and what you won't tolerate. And you will tell people from the beginning, I only accept this in my life. Before, meditating has helped me to to help me with how I parent Devon, because like I said before, I take a step back and I breathe and I think about what I'm saying and thinking about how I'm saying it before I say it to him. Mind you, not every day I'm in control of what just comes out. Like, sometimes you just can't help it. But I really believe that meditating really helped me strengthen my relationship with my son and strengthen my parenting style. And things are really starting to turn around. Like, everything in my life is starting to turn around. I don't complain as much. Everybody has their days where they're complaining about something, and I don't complain as much. What's it called? Whenever I find myself thinking negatively, I take a step back and I'm like, okay, hold up. Why are you feeling like this? Let's solve it. Instead of continually repeating it over and over and over again, which in turn, it's like the law of attraction. What you think, you attract, or what you believe, you attract. So if I'm saying that I'm fat and I'm a terrible mother every day, all the time, best believe I'm going to be fat and I'm going to be a terrible mother. Meditate, y'all. It's the best thing you can ever do for yourself. Literally. The third self-care tip for single mom is journaling. Some benefits of journaling are, it can enhance creative expression, promote the same benefits as meditation, which reduces stress, controls anxiety, promotes emotional health, and enhances self-awareness. It's a form of therapy. You can become a better version of yourself, ultimately, just by journaling, guys. Journaling. It sounds corny, y'all. Believe me, before I started doing this, I thought it was corny to sit down in a journal and go, "Dear diary, today I had a good day. This person and this person said this to me." I thought that was corny. But some people have dream journals. Some people have thought journals. Some people have journals where they just write daily prompts in. I have a journal. It's a mixture of things. It's a gratitude journal. It's a daily journal for sure, because I write in it all the time, every morning. I look up journal prompts and I write and I answer those questions. The main questions that I really like to write about are questions that really make you think. It makes you dive deep and actually think about your answer. You don't have to fill the whole page. You can fill half the page. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. I have a thoughts journal, I have a dream journal, and I have a gratitude journal. I have a tarot journal, because I do tarot. All these journals help me to be a better person, because especially thoughts journals. Anytime you think something, write it down. And you can do that for all day. You can do that for an hour. Whatever comes to you, you just have your journal by you, grab a pen and write down your thought. And then at the end of the day, you open the journal up and you read all the thoughts that you have. You don't have to number them. You just put them randomly. And right there alone, you can change your life, because there you're writing in your journal and you're seeing, okay, I'm writing down that I do this, or I feel like this, or I am like this. Why do I feel that way? Why do I keep writing that? What is happening in my life? What's going on around me? Who's influencing me? Like, why do I feel this way? And then you can better yourself. You can really do a lot to your mental health when it comes to journaling, because when I journal, I just let my feelings out. Like, sometimes I like to sit down with a cup of water, with some lo-fi beats, and get my pen and my paper, and I literally just write. And you guys, I kid you not, this is like, it makes me feel so good. And you can do it anywhere, like literally anywhere. It's not hard at all. Like, it really isn't. And you just write down your thoughts, and you come to solutions faster in your life when you do this. Okay, you guys, let's go over this real quick for one last time. So the 3 self-care tips for single moms is: number 1, exercise; number 2, meditate; and number 3, journal. These 3 things combined can help you become the best you and the best mom possible. Hands down. Like, these 3 things alone can help you be the best you and the best mom possible.